Welcome back to Tooling Insights, your go-to channel for all things related to machining and tooling. In today's episode, we'll be exploring the key differences between counterboring and countersinking, two essential techniques in the world of precision engineering. Counterboring and countersinking are both methods used to create recesses for fasteners, like screws and bolts, in workpieces. Although they may appear similar at first glance, they serve different purposes and have distinct characteristics. Counterboring. This technique creates a flat-bottomed hole with a larger diameter than the pre-existing hole. The purpose of counterboring is to allow the head of a fastener, like a bolt or screw, to sit flush with or below the surface of the material. This is especially important in applications where a smooth, unobstructed surface is essential for functionality or aesthetics. Countersinking creates a conical recess in the material, with the larger diameter at the surface tapering down to meet the original hole. Countersinking is primarily used with flathead screws, allowing the head to sit flush with the material's surface, creating a clean and seamless finish. So, what are the key differences between counterboring and countersinking? Hole shape. Counterboring creates a flat-bottomed hole, while countersinking creates a conical, tapered hole. Fastener type. Counterboring is commonly used with bolts or socket head screws, whereas countersinking is designed for flathead screws. Tooling. Specialized tools like counterbores and countersinks are used for their respective processes, with the former having a cylindrical cutting edge and the latter featuring a conical cutting edge. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Tooling Insights for more informative content related to machining and tooling. See you in the next episode.